Welcome to Connect BK Speak.
My daily routine. Hello, I am Chanchal. Today, I am sharing my daily routine with you. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and take a moment to gather my thoughts for the day. After getting out of bed, I head to the bathroom to freshen up, and then I change into my jogging clothes. I enjoy starting my day with a jog in the nearby park. The cool morning air and the peaceful surroundings help me wake up fully and prepare mentally for the day ahead. After my jog, I return home and take a quick shower. Feeling refreshed, I head to the kitchen to prepare a healthy breakfast. My typical breakfast includes oatmeal, fresh fruit, and a cup of green tea. Eating a nutritious breakfast is important to me because it gives me the energy I need to stay focused and productive throughout the day. After breakfast, I go to the university. At the university, I attend my classes, where I learn new things and participate in discussions. I enjoy interacting with my professors and classmates. Between classes, I often meet friends at the campus cafe. We chat about our courses, share insights, and sometimes work on group projects together. These interactions help strengthen our friendships and make learning more enjoyable. After coming back from the university, I eat lunch. After lunch, I rest for an hour. After resting, I go to an academy to learn English. At the academy, I learn tenses, vocabulary words, and give presentations to build my confidence. After coming back home, I have tea with some snacks while using my phone. Then I pray with my mom. After praying, I spend quality time with my family, sharing stories about our day. Then I do my homework. After homework, I have dinner with my family. After dinner, I take a 15-minute walk. Before bed, I like to meditate to calm my mind. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m., feeling content and ready for a good night's sleep. Thank you for watching.